Alright guys, we've been back home and we've just taken some time to relax and get some lunch. Now we are about to head up the mountain for the hike. Make one.
Kobe.
Oh, you actually did it. Not that I'm surprised, but you had said you hadn't hit
Sorry,
one yet.
what was that? It came to my attention that you were doubting my epic skills. That's the move that made LeBron cry.
He had informed me that he hadn't made one since he's been out here until now, because that's the rim that we're working with. But anyway, we're about to hike up the mountain and take some pictures as we do each year, so that'll be fun. So let's do that.
The clouds are moving so slowly. What's coming is coming from over the top of that, so I have no idea what's on the other side.
All right, it's starting to rain, but we're going for it. Rain, rain.
Steady on.
Hey Boston, we're almost to the top. How you doing, man? Oh. Oh man. Couldn't hang.
You can get down and hold that water.
Wow.
See the sun?
Soak it in, Boston.
Good thing it's not the reverse and he's awake and I fell asleep on the way up.
The sunbeam is ridiculous. Huh? Oh, thank you, Fallon.
You already gave me one. Alex, can I take a picture real quick?
All right, bud. It's time to head down. It's very beautiful up here right now. The sun's coming out in rays of sorts. I wonder what you call that.
What is that?
That's Mason's phone.
That's perfect. I feel so much safer.
It's raining. It even hailed for a little bit, for like 3 seconds. And Fletcher enjoyed it. Hey, Fletcher.
Boston bell and my bell.
Boston speak.
Can we take off your wet shirt, Fletcher? I'm a kid. Can we take off your wet shirt?
Easy.
Don't hit me.
I'm gonna let the rest of the family know that Olivia's pregnant.
You got a shrimp?
No. I'm not doing anything. I'm not doing anything.
Giddy up, cowboy.